Hello guys, welcome back to the second segment of the day on Pip Valley, where we'll be looking at the USD pair. So we're going to do a pre-market analysis for the USD pair, looking at our weekly and daily time frames. If you want to watch the monthly analysis, just click on the link above where we've done the monthly analysis. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into our analysis. We'll start with the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I have maintained the structures that we had before, this symmetrical triangle and the head and shoulder pattern, as well as the double top that was formed after the price broke this 15.1600 level, and the general trend line. So what I'm expecting is a bearish move. This is what I'm expecting the most. Why? Because ever since this double top, you can notice that the price has been making consistent lower lows and lower highs, right? And now it has come to a point where the price is made a lower low and a lower high. From here, you can notice that after the price formed this double top, the price went on and broke 14.39096 as a support zone and retested it as a resistance zone. And from there, that's when it formed another bearish engulf, forming a lower low and a lower high. So what I'm expecting in the coming week is for the price to move to the downside and reach our 13.56593. The reason why we're targeting 13.56593 is because it is the approximation of the height of the triangle from the point at which the price broke to the downside of the triangle or to the low of the triangle. For example, you can see this, like if you come here, this is the same distance as the height of the triangle. So that's why we're targeting 13.56593, and then we'll take things from there once the price reaches this zone. So the second scenario is a bullish scenario where the price is going to reverse from this, maybe coming to retest again the 14.39096 zone. But however, I'm expecting the bearish move to have a higher probability of occurrence. So these are the movements that I'm expecting on the weekly chart. Now we'll move on to the daily chart. So we can notice that on the daily chart, we have the main trend, that's the bearish trend. And also there was a consolidation. We're coming from a consolidation for a number of days, and after this we experienced the breakout where the price broke the support zone and retested. It broke the support zone and retested it as a resistance zone, of which it held and went on to the downside, forming a lower low and then formed a lower high, and now it has again formed a lower low and a lower high. So this is a sign that the bearish move is likely to continue. So having said that, I'm expecting that since we have a bearish engulf here and the price went on to form a spinning top, I'll be expecting the price either to reverse, and if it reverses and closes below the previous high, making a lower high, I'll be expecting the price to reverse from here, and if it forms a lower high, then I'll be expecting a downside movement up to 13.56593. So this is the most likely scenario that I'm expecting. Or another scenario that is a bearish scenario is where the price is just going to continue movement to the downside until it reaches 13.56593. On the bullish side of things, what I'll be expecting is, remember I said that on the weekly chart the price might seek to retest the broken zone as a resistance zone again. So this will be the move that we'll be expecting. So if the price reverses here, it would have formed a double bottom, and this is the double bottom that will be an impetus to the bullish move up to this level where it will retest the resistance zone again. Again, I'm not really expecting this to have a higher probability of happening, but if it happens, then it would have happened. So these are the movements that I'm expecting on the daily chart. So overall, I'm expecting bearish. I'm still expecting the bearish move to continue where it is. I'm targeting that it will reach 13.56593. So these are the moves that I'm expecting in the coming week. That leaves me to say thank you very much guys for the time that you've taken to view this video, and also thank you for your subscriptions and your likes and comments. Manage your risk well, grind the markets with great. Roy Machingora out.